Alright, today I want to show you how we can generate questions in Google Forms using the power of AI. For starters, we use an extension called Examize. The link will be in the description to access this, or if you just open a new Google Forms, click on the three dots, hit Get Add-ons, and just search Examize. You'll be able to find it there and just go on with the proper steps to install it. Once you have it installed, we can look for this icon up here. It's a little puzzle tool, and click on the Examize app. There's two ways to open it. I'm just going to open the mini version. Once that opens up, we can see that we have different options. We can generate, translate, remix, import, and export. For now, I just want to highlight the generate, and this is where we could generate questions based on different material. As you can see here, we can do it from scratch, from file, or from a URL. Today, I'm going to be working on just the URL part. This part is really easy. You can take any popular website, any popular, openly accessible website, and it could read the data off the website and generate questions on it. So here I have the Wikipedia site for the history of Alaska, and we're going to use that. So I just copy the website and then paste it in here. 10 questions. And I'll just make every question type. Let's make this a high school grade level. Let's just keep it a regular, not as a quiz. And let's keep it in English. And we'll wait for it to generate. This could take anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. It usually stays within that realm. It takes longer with the more questions you request. Alright, now that we have our questions, we can see it made all 10 questions. And here we could do a quick review to look at what questions we want to add versus what we don't want to add. And we could expand to see the answer choices and the explanations. Just so in case, if you want to do a quick review and not add a certain one. So let's say number 7, we won't add that one. And then we just hit apply. And now you could watch it create each and every question. And it added all 9 to the form. What's great about this, if we selected a quiz, it'll also have the explanations as in the answer, in the feedback. So that's really great about this. And, as I mentioned, you can do from scratch, from file, from URL. We also have translate features. If you want to translate all the questions into different language, there's also a remix feature. If you want to rewrite a question, you don't like the way it looks. If you want to convert a question type from, let's say, multiple choice to short answer or vice versa, you can do that as well. And lastly, there's import form and export form. You can import another Google form into this form to allow you to pretty much merge the questions into one form, which is great for easily creating different quizzes. And you can export this form into different formats, into Google Docs or Google Sheets. That way, if you want a printable or you want just to have a quiz bank in Google Sheets, you can do that as well. Yeah, and this is Examize is a great app for educators, great app for teachers, great app for helping make quizzes very quick and easy.